Hi, my name is Eric. I'm here to save you time and make your life easier. Hey there, everybody in the company's talking about their new promotion. Congratulations, pal. When are we going out to celebrate? See you later. Three rings for the elven kings under the sky. 7 for the dwarf lords in their halls of stone. Recent opinion polls show that young mothers believe that computers read better than daddies, more fluently, more frequently, and they don't fall asleep snoring. I am not a human, would you believe? I am one of the Ivona text-to-speech voices family. We are ready to read anything you want. Create voice recordings with us at ivona.com, online. Use recordings in the internet, or multimedia. Or buy us for your desktop. Ivona, let it speak.